Okay, this is the SKEZN Backpack filming for the Osmo 3. Just going to open it up now. This attaches to your backpack to allow you to use the Osmo to film from your backpack. So, I'll be testing this out. So we'll bring it out. I'm just going to try this out on my GoPro to see if it works, if I can use it on my GoPro. So what I have is the thing that attaches to the backpack strap. And this is one of the clips that you normally see with a GoPro. Then you have one of these. I've seen plenty of these on GoPro. Then you have another package here. That's why people rip these things open. There we go. So this is specifically for the Osmo 3. This is sort of where it'll rest, and this will be, I'm assuming, what you attach to. So I assume it's going like this, since there is literally no instructions to this. Probably backwards, maybe, I don't know. So it goes attaches like this. Of the way, and then I presume I have a oops. Whew, that took a little bit of doing. And then this is where the Osmo will sit. It has a little bit of a cradle. So the next step is to put this on my backpack and try filming from it. See what results I got. Until then. And then I attach this to this, and I'll be on my way to show you how it looks. Okay, this is the camera on my shoulder, just one shoulder on my backpack. I do notice that the strap, the Velcro strap that it's strapped onto the strap, it slides a little bit. So I'm curious on what the color of curious on what the quality of the video would be. When I get back home, I'll be able to see it. So I'm just walking in the park. As if something normal that I would do. Okay, now I'm going to walk back. Okay. So the next test will be, I'm going to put both straps on for the backpack. I just have a standard backpack, so I don't have a cross. I don't have one of those ones that has a cross the chest Okay. Now I have placed both straps from the backpack on my arms. So this does not have a cross strap like some backpacks do. It's just a standard book bag where I carry all my camera gear. So I'm going to, let's see how this works. So I'm walking on uneven ground. I don't know if there's be a difference if I'm walking on like a sidewalk or, you know, well, we'll see when I get home to see what the quality of the video is. It is a little distracting because I can see the camera out the side of my eye. The camera's sort of sticking out. Once again, this is me with the backpack wearing both straps. Also a note, I had to change the view of the camera. When I initially turned on the camera, it was viewing me, so I had to put it sort of like in selfie mode. Not that that's a big deal. So it'll be interesting to see. Then I can see. I want to see what the camera sees. Okay, I've now adjusted it to see what I want to see. So we're going to start recording. Walking with just one of the straps on my right shoulder. I'm on concrete. It's a concrete sidewalk. I guess one negative side, I mean, there is a little bit of setup you're going to have to do with this. I had to put the strap on, and well, that sounds rather dirty, but I had to put the strap around the arm of the backpack, and I had to attach the camera, and you know, you're going to have to give yourself at least 3 or 4 minutes to get this all set up in order to use it. So once again, you know, because I can't see it, I don't know what's going on. So let's go on grass, on uneven ground. Let's see what the results are. Okay, now I'm switching to putting on both straps. I'm wearing the backpack with both straps on. It's going to adjust the camera a little bit. Turn off the GoPro. Okay. So now I have both straps on. Walking. It does stick out a little bit. Now I'm going to be on sidewalk. I'm observing from the side of my eye. This camera is really jumping up and down, so it'll be interesting to see what the results are. So I'm going to pin this to a YouTube video that I already had set up. I was going to publish that on the 15th. Still going to publish on the 15th, but I'm going to pin all of this to it. And we are stopping.